Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can assemble this type of simple mechanism of auto window door in SolidWorks. So if you want to do practice of this assembly by your own, then I will leave the download link in the description of this video to all these files. सो कीप वाचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल एंड। और अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाह रहे हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मौजूद है सेम वीडियो उर्दू में, आप वहाँ पे जाकर देख सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड बाय स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू असेंबली इन सॉलिडवर्क्स and then here are the concerned parts for this car window. So you can select all these parts and then drag them into the SolidWorks assembly. So first of all we have to make sure that this door is fixed. So if you can see here in front of this icon of door there is written F in the brackets, which means that this door is fixed. Drag all these parts at some distance from the door. So first of all select this window, this face of the window and this face of the door and make the concentric mate between them. After that select this face of the door and this face of the window and make the coincident mate between them. So now we have to attach this grip with the window. So for that drag the window like here, so we can easily assemble it with the grip. Now rotate the grip like this. So make sure that there are two things that we have to consider. First of all, this hole should be on this side, on the left side, or on, you can say, on the front side of the car, and this side should be inside of the car or inside of the door. So you can see the directions. So now what we have to do, select this line and this line of the window, this one, then make the coincident mate between them. After that select both these faces of the grip, this face and also this face and this face, and make the width mate between them and press OK button. Now we have to attach the link with the with this grip and somewhere here. So for that first of all we need two copies of this link. So press and hold Control key and click and drag the link to make its duplicate, then rearrange. So make sure that the pins, direction of the pins of both links should be outside the car. You can see here. Now select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face and make the concentric mate. Then select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face and make the slot mate between them. Then select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face and make the concentric mate between them. After that select this face and this face, make the coincident mate. Now select this face and this face and make the coincident mate between them. And once again we have to make mate. So select this cylindrical face and this face and make the slot mate between them. Press OK button. So if you can see, now we have to attach motor with our door assembly. So for that drag the motor near to the door, rotate it in this way like this, then select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face and make the concentric mate. Then select this face and this face and make the parallel mate. Now select this face and this face and make the coincident mate between them. So now we have to attach the gears. So to attach gears I will use the design library. So in the design library, go to toolbar, select add in now, and then NC metric. In NC metric, scroll down, power transmission. In power transmission, select gears, and then click and drag this per gear in the assembly. For motor, we will use the module 2.5 and the number of teeth are 10. Scroll down, and pressure angle 20 is okay, face width is 5, which is okay, and the shaft diameter is 5, which is also okay, and then press OK button. Now close this. So it will be somehow difficult to attach or select different faces of the motor while we are going to attach this gear. So click on the door and hide it, for instance. Now select this cylindrical face of the gear and this cylindrical face of the motor and make the concentric mate between them. After that, select this face, or you can also drag it like this. First drag it like this, then select this face of the gear and this face of the link and make the distance mate between them, and the distance is 10 millimeter, or you can also say 5 millimeter. Press OK button. Now we have to add the gear for the link. So once again, going to design library, import the spur gear in the assembly. This time the module is 2.5, but number of teeth are 30. Then pressure angle is 20, face width is 5, nominal shaft diameter is 10 millimeter. Everything is okay, and then press OK button. Now select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face. Make the concentric mate and make sure you have to lock the rotation of this concentric mate. So then select this face of this gear and this face. Make coincident mate. Okay, now press space button and select this view orientation. Then zoom in and rearrange the gears like this. Then go to mate option and scroll down. In the mechanical mates, select gear mate and then select this circular edge of this gear and also select this circular edge of the another gear. Then here if you can see teeth or diameter, so type here 30 and here instead of 5 type here 10. Then press OK button. Again press OK button. Now if you rotate it, so it is working. Now you can unhide the door by pressing this button, show component, and then select the window and change its transparency. This is how the auto window door in SolidWorks is assembled. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have learned anything from this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and sparing time.